Why is it so hard to get that clear, crystal jelly effect when working with color? In my last video I talked about how to build the gray base. Today I'm going to show you how I work with color to create this translucent, crystal-like jelly effect. First, let's talk about needle selection. I normally use 2 round needles, a 3 round and a 7 round. For the magnum, I choose a curved magnum depending on the size of the design. For the colors, these are the ones I'll be using today. Now let's get into the actual process. Step 1. Start with the round needle. I use the round needle first for all the smaller, darker areas that need solid saturation. For example, I'll start by establishing these darker edges and structural areas. But one thing you really need to pay attention to here is how your colors transition and blend into each other. When creating a color transition, start from the darker area and work outward. At the beginning, keep your strokes shorter and more concentrated. As you move outward into the lighter area, gradually make each stroke longer while using a lighter touch. This allows the color to gradually fade out and creates a much smoother transition. One important detail: if every stroke is the same length, your gradient will look stiff and unnatural. When you reach the lighter color, don't stop there. Continue into the next color and slightly overlap the two, so the colors can blend naturally instead of looking like separate sections. Next, switch to the curved magnum. I use the magnum for larger areas of color, especially when you want that soft, translucent effect. To achieve this kind of transparency, I dilute the pigment. For this piece I'm using roughly 2/3 color and 1/3 diluting solution, but the exact ratio should always be adjusted depending on the client's skin tone and the effect you're trying to achieve. Now, another really important part is the order in which you apply your colors. This is actually one of the key factors in keeping your colors clean. So essentially I'm working from deeper, cooler colors toward lighter, warmer colors, and finally highlights. When adding highlights, make sure every highlight has a purpose. More highlights do not automatically make the tattoo look better. Your highlights should always follow the form and structure of the design. Keep them controlled and try to use as little as necessary. If you want to learn tattooing or see more tattoo techniques like this, check out my profile.